Christina. Welcome to today's vlog. So as you can see from the title down below, we are preparing for a baby. Now, am I preparing for a baby? Am I pregnant? No, not by any means. I don't want you guys to get it twisted, but my best friend, Michaela Noel, is pregnant. If you guys watch her here on YouTube, you may know, but her and I met in college. We've been best friends for a long time, and she told me back in December that she's expecting a baby. So this weekend, I'm actually going to go see her, and we're gonna find out the gender of her baby. So that is why I'm doing this video. I kind of just wanted to document it and show you guys, I guess, how me being the best friend slash auntie is also preparing for this new exciting time in my best friend's life. But I have a gift here that I'm going to show you guys and wrap up, and then I'm also going to make some little treats for the gender reveal party. And at the end of this vlog, depending on how long it is, I may even show you guys a couple options for outfits that I want to wear to the gender reveal party, because I'm so indecisive that I can't decide what I want to wear. First things first, Michaela girl, if you're watching this video, which I know you are, skip to this time right here so you don't see what I got you, because if I find out that you know what I got you before I see you this weekend, we're gonna have a talk, and it probably won't be a good talk. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the gift bag I got. It's literally the cutest thing in the world. Just says, "Oh baby," and then I also got them a little card. It's just got 3 little elephants on it. As for the gifts I got two little, well, I guess technically 3 things, but one of them's a 2-pack, and these are all from Old Navy. So first thing I got, oh, it's so cute. So it's just this like 2-pack of onesies, but I like them because they have shorts. So since the baby is due in August, it will still be hot from the summer, so I figured this would be just really easy if the baby, or I guess if Michaela wants to have the baby like just wear this around the house, or you know, if they're going to run errands, this is just super easy to throw on. Like, you don't really have to think about pants since it is shorts. It's just yellow and says "Hello Sunshine," and then the second one here is just striped. And again, since I don't know the gender of the baby, I thought these were really good. Like, I could see a baby girl or boy wearing this. And if any moms out there are watching this and you're curious about the sizes I got of these clothes, I got this one in a 0 to 3 months, just because I know a lot of babies don't fit into newborn. I don't think I ever fit into newborn clothes, so I figured this is safer. And then next I got this adorable little like sleep onesie. So it is blue and striped, and it has a zipper all the way down it, so it's gonna be easy to put on. But look at the little feet. It's so cute. It's a little mousy. And I got this one in a size 3 to 6 month because one, it won't be cold here until like November, December, and by that time baby will be like 3 to 4 months, I think. So yeah, but like, oh my god, my best friend is gonna have a baby, what the heck. So that's what I got, the little squish. Now I'm gonna wrap it up, and I also have blue and pink tissue papers, so I'm about to make this look really cute. So let's wrap it up. So I just finished up the gift, but now that this is all done, I'm gonna go downstairs and get started with the gender reveal little treat that I'm gonna do for them. So let's go do that. Welcome to my kitchen. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I got majority of the materials from Bulk Barn. I got a ton of pretzels. These are like the jumbo size pretzels. If you can see, it's like half of my hand. And I got a ton of chocolates. Now it's super convenient that they had pink and blue drops. These are like the best thing to melt down if you're trying to melt down chocolate, but this way I don't have to add any food coloring or anything, because that was my initial plan. But Bulk Barn coming in clutch for me. But yeah, I'm really excited. I hope that these turn out, so let's get to baking. I just finished the little treat. As you guys can see, it turned out so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. For some of them, I tried to be a little more decorative. As you can see, I did kind of like splatter, but it did get a little bit messy. So I left half of them plain and half of them to have this weird splatter thing, but they're so cute and they're super yummy. This was literally like the easiest treat to make, and it's awesome because it's sweet and salty, so a lot of people will like it. I definitely do think I need to make more. I think there's about 20 on that sheet there, and I know at this party there's going to be around 35 to 40 people, so I'm gonna probably make a few more, but that is that. Now I'm gonna show you guys some potential gender reveal outfits, and I need you guys to vote down below in the comments because I literally have no idea what to wear.